Hello everyone. Several guys asked me about the differences between FL lens and FD lens. To the majority of you, FD lens is more well known and you can find these lenses on cameras that are noted as A something, A1, AE1, AE1 program, or on cameras that start with T, T50, T70, T90. The difference will be only in this ring. This ring on older cameras with from A series will be movable and it will be silver, and on newer models it will be fixed and the letters will be green. On older models letters are orange. So if you go even further back in history to the F series, you will find FT, FTB, F1 model that has pretty much similar lens. There is the same ring, there is the same breech, there is the same bouchon, how do you call this in English, cap. Fits to FL and it fits to T. However, there is a small difference. If you look closely, on FD model there are two levers, and on FL models there is only one lever. So if you want to adapt the lens FL on FD, you need FD adapter, FD-EOS of course. And here is the problem. This little pin right here. In order to put this adapter made for FD lenses on FL lenses, all you need to do is to unscrew this little guy like this. Tap, 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 tap. You don't lose the pin. And you just find the mark. Here's the dot. And where are you, dot? Here's the dot. Another dot. And that's it, pretty much. If it fits, I sit. Ta-da! Simple as that. Now you have FL to EOS. Or let's say modern SLR Canon, if it is easier for some reason. You can use an adapter like this on older lens, on FD mount. As you can see, it's absolutely simple. Same thing. However, if you do this, because you have removed the lever, you will not be able to control the aperture. And that's it, that's the only difference. So, if you want to buy FL adapter, there is no such thing. There is FD adapter without this little pin or with that little pin. That's it.